Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a super detailed but super easy method to do a feed-in ponytail, and I hope you enjoy it. So jumping right into it, we have good news, we have bad news, but we also have great news. So the good news is I'm still going to show you step by step how to create a feed-in ponytail. The bad news is I accidentally deleted the footage of how I slicked this hair down. The great news is that I actually filmed a reel for this exact look, so I'm going to insert the footage of my slick down process right here. And I also have all of these videos on my channel where I also slick my hair down so you won't miss out. So the first thing I did, parted my hair in the center. I added a layer of gel, a layer of edge control. I sealed it in with some mousse, finished it off with some hairspray, tied it down, and this is how we got to where we are right now. So after allowing my hair to dry, I'm using an Ouchless scrunchie. So I'm going to put that on my hair, wrap it around about 2 or 3 times, not enough to give myself a headache, but enough to make my ponytail nice and secure, and this is what it looks like. And the hair we're using today is Freetress's Clean Therapy in the shade 1B. This is the hair we're going to be feeding in. You also saw this hair in my feed-in cornrow tutorial. It's my favorite because it's already pre-rinsed with vinegar wash, so I don't have to do the full dipping process. It's 3 sections in a pack. I'm only going to use one of those sections, section that into 4 like you see right here. And I like to pre-section the hair before braiding because then it makes the braiding process a lot smoother. So now that we have our hair section, we are going to start the braiding process. So first I'm going to be going in with Ebin's edge control. I'm going to add that to the ponytail. This is going to help my hair to blend in with the extensions. Mainly because I started the style on curly hair. I did not blow dry my hair for this style. I want it to be as sleek as possible. After I smooth in the edge control, I'm going to go in with the same hairspray that you saw me slick the front of my hair down just to further uniform my hair. So now that we officially have all of the prep out of the way, we're going to start this braid. So we have a right piece, a middle piece, and a left piece. We're going to take that right piece, cross it up under what is the middle. The middle now gets crossed to the left. And so if you know how to braid, you know how to rock and roll. If you don't, just keep watching. So after I braided my real hair down about 2 rhythms, it is time to add the extensions. The extensions for me are always going to go to the middle and to the right piece. So every time my finger pops out to grab that right piece, it's time to add more hair. And as I braid down, I'm just going to be adding edge control throughout the way to make sure my hair is really blended. So now we're back to the right side. That finger pops up. We grab the hair. One side of the hair goes to the middle. The other side gets added to the right. We're going to braid it down again. Once that finger pops back up on the right side, we're going to go ahead, add a little bit more edge control to blend the hair. And we only had 4 pieces of hair we're adding in, so we are almost finished the braid. We add it to the middle, we add it to what's already on the right, and we braid it down again. And then we're going to go in and we're going to add our very last piece, and we're going to braid it on down. And now that we've added our last piece, we're just going to braid it all the way down to the end like so. Once we get to the very end, we're going to braid it, leaving about a ½ an inch to an inch of hair left. What I love most about this hair is sometimes you don't even have to dip it. Then we're going to go right in with a rubber band and just seal off the end of our braid, leaving that ½ an inch out. Even though I'm not going to dip this ponytail, I am going to trim up any loose stragglies at the end. So this part is completely optional. I took some of the hair and made an individual little skinny braid. I'm going to add a bobby pin to it, stick that bobby pin down into the ponytail, and I'm going to wrap that braid around the ponytail holder. I don't mind how the ponytail holder looks on its own, but it's always nice to give a little bit of extra pizzazz. And so after we do this last step, I like to go in with the metal part of my rat tail comb just to comb in any frizzies or flyaways that may be in the way. And y'all, that's pretty much it. That's the look. It's super easy to do. It should take you under an hour if you include how long it'll take for your slick down to be slicked down. But doing the actual braid should probably take you no more than 10 minutes. If that, and I know they have drawstring ponytails, you can always just go buy you one of those. But this is, you know, the modern girl's way to do it. And before we get up out of here, I just want to show you the length of the ponytail. So it comes down to about my belly button in the front and to my back side in the back, and the hair is 52 inches total. So as always, if you found this video helpful, be sure to thumbs it up. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. I will be in the back by the snacks. And if you dig me, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you, God willing, in my next video. Bye.